let's know what are the parts of foot operated suctioning machine. There are these some parts. First of all, the pedal, and second is piston, third is stand, and vacuum meter, collecting tube, and cylinders. Okay, now we will more know about this procedure, that how the suctioning procedure will occur. This pedal is pressed. At that time, pressure will be generated, or it can be created inside the piston, and at that while that is shown in the vacuum meter, and that pressure occurs at that while suction will occur. When it comes to the relaxed position, the suction will stop, and this whole suctioning takes the duration of this procedure, that is 10 seconds, and we can do it in the repeating manner. After a while, we can know more about the applications where we can use this suctioning. We can use at the time of wound care or in the time of surgery. We can use this. Now, what are the advantages? It is very lightweighted, easy to hold. That's why we can use in the emergency conditions in the domiciliary purposes. So, this is all about foot operated suctioning.